Hello, welcome back to the channel. This is Dave from DLLM Cactus. Today I have a small plant unboxing I ordered off of Etsy. I ordered 5 Super Kabutos for a set price, so just gonna kind of see how that works and yeah, try to up the Astrophytum game here. Let's see what we got. Well packed in here. All right, let's see the first one. Perfect. Really cool pattern there. Nice. Good roots. Clean. Super pretty. Yeah, the price on these have gone down a lot, which is great. And I have some that are flowering age already in the greenhouse. So just wanted to kind of up the numbers, get the better success. The seeds that I've been sowing myself for my home plants have done really, really good. So just wanted to get more production. I want super pretty, just really, really small flecks. Ooh. Nice size. Oh, that's pretty. Almost has like that V-type pattern on it. Really, really cool. Pretty. That's probably my favorite one out of them. So yeah, I got all 5 of these. I will get these all planted up here, potted up to kind of put out in the greenhouse. And then when I do that, I'll try to give you the name of the seller on Etsy, but he's doing a 5. This is a 5-pack. I want to say roughly I paid like $30 with shipping. So you're talking like $6, maybe $7 an Astrophytum Super Kabuto. So really, really good price. I'll get these potted up now and then I'll give you that information. All right, got them all potted up. I think the patterns are really, really pretty. So they're gonna be the 5. And I did look it up on Etsy. The name of the seller is Cacti, C-A-C-T-Y-E. This was on special and I caught it, I think 2 weeks ago. Then they had to be shipped, but it was, you get 5 random Super Kabutos and it came out to $33.50 with shipping and tax. So I only paid like $6.70 for each of these Super Kabutos. So price was really great. I looked on it. He doesn't have any more 5-packs. He does have 3-packs for $24. So I'm thinking they're gonna be a little bit closer to about $10 a plant now that they're off sale. But look at his site. He has some good deals there, and definitely Astrophytum grower. So he has different asterias, V-types, gymnos. But great plants, happy to get them. Gonna go throw them in the greenhouse. We will see you on the next video.